Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Just finished up this 2019 Ram 3500 Mega Cab Dually. This is a local truck staying here in Iowa. It's the second truck we built for this customer. So what we got on the front, we got our 5 to 6 inch kit. With also have our Raptor tuned shocks. Down here you can see we've got our Kelderman fabricated radius arms. These are really cool because they keep the factory eccentric bolts, so the caster is very easy to adjust. Threw on some chrome Kelderman badges with their logo on the front. We're running American Force 22s on these 37.5s. Set the lights off to Eco Tint to get a little less chrome, a little more white in this. Painted the Ram white on the front of this grille. On the front here we have our Alpha Series bumper. We've got chrome monster hooks, chrome fair lead, and really cool how Warren's got this new, they call it the Sidewinder, and it's got polished out, so it looks really cool. We have this little bump license plate bracket too for those states that insist on us running front license plates. A couple other little touches we did to it. We wiped the red heavy duty out, the 3500, and then we have our Kelderman badge on the side. Now, this is a limited, so it already came with steps, so we didn't have to put those on. Come around to the rear, you can see the matte black dually wheels from American Force. Then we kind of put gloss cap, lug nut covers on it, kind of break up the matte black on it. Come around here, we got our rear 4-link on the, really good for carrying heavy loads, rides good when you're empty. You know, these Dodges, you know, those rear axles rated for, it's like 9,700 pounds now, so it's only a couple hundred pounds less than a 450. So smoked out the rear tail lights. Also took the badge off, made it white instead of chrome. Come around here to the rear, we got our Alpha Series bumper, chrome monster hooks, and took the hitch off the last truck the customer had. Powder coated black, made a cross member to go across here and make it real durable, real clean. Got the MBRP tail section of the exhaust too. So this truck's going to what we refer to as the school out east, which is Iowa City. And if you're in eastern Iowa, you're not going to miss that going down the road.